Hi there. Are you an insurance agent or a financial services professional? Are you helping your clients with products like IULs and annuities? Those are fantastic products, and you're probably getting inundated from companies all over the place trying to recruit you to sell their IULs or annuities. I'm not doing that, so relax. But if you are using indexing strategies to help your clients grow their guaranteed income for retirement, or just be able to leverage their money by, doing two things at once with the same dollar. IULs are phenomenal. Annuities are great too. Humongous multi-million dollar businesses. And if you are doing that, that is great. And if you have already talked to annuity clients or IUL clients, you may have another opportunity right at your fingertips. My name is Christy Chase, and I do something a little bit unique in the insurance industry. I work with people sharing something called fractional life settlements. You might be familiar with fractional life settlements, but they are gaining traction like you just wouldn't believe. Compliance issues and everything else across the country over the past couple of years have started showing that these products, not only are they legal instruments, it is legal to sell your um, interest in your own life insurance policy. That was 1911, it was deemed by the U.S. government that that is something that people can do. So it is legal and it is helpful. Someone said to me, "Why in the world would you want to bet on someone dying?" And you're really not. Listen, you can't control the fact that we are not here forever. And if you have the foresight to go out and get some life insurance on yourself, and in your younger years, you want to cover yourself for what you're worth, maybe a high valued home, or you're a key person in a company, or you just really have an unbelievable net worth. And you want to protect yourself so that should you pass unexpectedly, that your wife, your spouse, whomever, would have that income come in and it would pay off your debt. Well, fast forward 30, 40 years down the road, 50 years down the road, your spouse is no longer living, your children are all grown up and have their own families, and a big $5 million or a $3 million policy may not be necessary for you, especially if you're like, 80 years old and you've got cancer and you've dealt with health problems and there's no one to really leave that money to. You might want to get someone to take over your life insurance contract. And here's the reason why. You go trying to sell that back to the life insurance company. It's called surrendering your policy. You're not going to get anywhere near what you put into it. If you keep it and hold on to it so that you don't lose all the money that you put into it over the years, it's going to cost you thousands of dollars every year that you may not have. That might be a hardship. So, someone selling their life insurance policy on a third party market to investors who want to invest in a policy that they are guaranteed a payout is 100% safe. All life insurance with whole life policies are going to pay unless they're surrendered. And there are record numbers of elderly people who have these big policies that are surrendering them at just alarming rates, putting tons of money into the insurance companies because all these years they get to receive all that money to pay for the policy, but then they don't have to make a payout. So, with the baby boomers and the elderly generation that we have in our country at this time, more people are becoming aware of selling their life policy. It's called a life settlement. Well, people who are income conscious or investment conscious or retirement conscious may want to put their money into buying one of these policies or a fraction of one of these policies so that when the person who is insured in fact does pass away, they get the big, huge payout or a fraction of that payout. And that's called fractional life settlements. As an insurance agent or a financial professional who has an insurance license, you too can share this kind of investment opportunity with your clients that are interested in annuities and IULs, people who want money coming in when they retire or before they retire, because these policies typically, on average, mature within 3 to 7 years. That means your investment client may put 20, 30, actually it starts at 25,000, but maybe they'll put in 35 or 55 or 100 or 200,000 or roll over, say, an annuity or a 401k or their TSP, maybe roll over a portion of it into this thing because you can put qualified money in it. Well, within 3 to 7 years, on average, not always, but typically, the insured passes and that pays out the life insurance benefit. And they're happy and then they want to do it again. They can do it as many times as they want. No more underwriting and no more suitability issues on an elderly client. It is a wonderful, incredible, safe product for your clients. Now, the best part is you get paid what you are worth. As an insurance agent or financial professional, when you sell one of these fractions of a policy, if you have an investor who comes along with at least $25,000 to put into it with qualified or non qualified money, you get an unbelievable commission comparable to that of an annuity or an IUL, the bigger, larger commissions. Imagine adding in 30, 50, or $100,000 to what you're already doing without changing your primary FMO or IMO. Keep selling IULs and annuities. But now here's one more product that you can take to your clients to help them with their income down the road by showing them fractional life settlements. Go ahead and click the link below and go to makemorecommission.com to learn a little bit more about this, and you'll see a really cool animated video that'll tell you a bit more. Enter your information in there and we'll send you a bit more information about it, okay? I look forward to talking to you soon. Take care.